Let's talk about what happens when stuff breaks. Today I'm going to tell you about my husband's broken multi-tool. There's a happy ending with a pleasant surprise, so hang on. So he was fixing some fencing around the property with his Leatherman rebar, and it broke off half the pliers. He was not a happy camper. The multi-tool is part of his everyday carry. He's had it for years, and he uses it a lot. Mother to the rescue, right? So, on their website, Leatherman informed me they have a 25-year limited warranty on their multi-tools. Okay, the limited part had me concerned, but looking further, the website offers a complete warranty claim process, and after submitting the online form, a shipping label was emailed to me. Very convenient. They said the multi-tool would be shipped back when it was repaired, and if they couldn't repair it, they'd replace it with a comparable refurbished model unless I specified otherwise. Piece of cake! I went further into the Leatherman website, and lo and behold, they offer custom engraving. I casually mentioned this to the husband, but he declined comment. So, I have borrowed my man's rebar from time to time, occasionally accompanied with some grumbling, but I was not expecting what came next. About the time the repaired multi-tool came back, so did another box from Leatherman. It was my own personalized, laser engraved HMP rebar. This multi-tool is now one with my EDC. Leatherman tools are American made with a test-proven guarantee. No questions, no hassle, just some good folks doing what they have done for 40 years, handling their business. So Leatherman gets a thumbs up from me. Thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe. Until next time, I've got miles to go before I sleep.